In this video, I will guide you through how to install Android Studio on Windows 11 step by step. Like and subscribe while I walk you through. Open your browser. Make sure your computer is connected to the internet. Search Android Studio. Click on the result that says Download Android Studios and App Tools. Where you see Download Android Studio Panda 4, click on it. You can go through the terms and conditions for using Android Studio, but in this video, I don't want to take much of your time, so I'll just scroll down. When you get to this section, check this box to accept that you read and agreed to the terms. Click Download Android Studio Panda 4. Your download should start automatically. It'll take few minutes to download depending your internet speed. I had to pause for download to complete. And next, I copied the installation file to the desktop so you can see the setup I'll be making clearly. This is the installation file. Right-click on the installation file. Click on Run as Administrator. Click Yes on the screen that pops up. And now allow setup to load up. Hit the like and subscribe button below. Thank you if you did already. Click on Next. In this section, yours should also be selected just like this. Click Next. You can choose your file directory by clicking on Browse. For me, I'll skip. Click on Next. Here now, click on Install. This process will take few minutes to complete. You should be patient. But while wait, click the like and subscribe button below. Installation complete. Click on Next and Next again. Wait for Android Studio Panda 4 to load. I prefer not to send, so I'll click on Don't Send. Allow Android Studio to find available SDK components. Click on Next. Here, I will prefer using standard setup, so I will just leave it there and click on Next. In the next page, you will be downloading components of 399 megabytes. Click on Next to proceed. Click on the Accept button to accept license agreement and click Next. Downloading components. While wait, leave a comment below comment section with the country you are watching this video from. After download is complete, click on Finish. This will relaunch Android Studio. Android Studio installation complete. You can see how sweet this interface looks. Here you can add new project. We have Open and also the clone repository. We have Customize. Of course, where you can switch from dark theme to light theme and do some other setups, such as language and region, accessibility, and key map. Next, we have the plugin tabs, where you can install any plugin. You can use the search to search for plugins and click Install. When you scroll below, you will see available plugins. We have the Learn tab. In the Learn tab, you get help and resources. Watch our Android Studio setup guide for Windows 11 at the end screen or in the description of this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching.